See, that's a problem right there. That's filth. That's filth. Dirtiest wide body on YouTube, I guarantee you. Look at this. Look at that. Who's doing that? Look at, oh my God. I'm not washing my car today, guys. I refuse to do it. It's too dirty. The inside is even worse. Who am I gonna have do it? Destination Detail. And he does a hell of a job getting the car clean. It's gonna be night and day difference. Right now it's filthy. Wait till it's complete. It's gonna be a masterpiece, inside and out, guarantee you. But see, this is what happens when gas shortages hit. You don't have enough gas to take your shit to the car wash. You don't even have enough gas to take it to the gas station. And your car's been sitting outside for the last, what, almost week and a half, 2 weeks. Just been dealing with the elements. Look, every finger, filth. Every single finger, filth. So we're gonna get that taken care of immediately. All right, so we got my man Aubrey here, Destination Detail, the one and only. Get his t-shirt here, Destination Detail NC. Instagram. Do you have a Twitter too, or just Instagram?
We got a Twitter as well, Destination Detail NC.
Yeah.
Across the board.
You see this black truck with the Destination Detail, you know that you're about to get the best service. I remember when you first pulled up in the black van, I was like, this motherfucker's stealing people, man.
Nah,
you know what I'm saying?
That's why we had to
he
get
pulled
the
up with this
logo
big ass black truck, this big ass black van. I was like, nah, I'm not coming out. I'm not coming out until he come out of that. But nah, man. The best detailing in Charlotte, man. I'm telling you, he legit. Look at this. Got the fucking blower that you put on the back. It's legit. He coming out with his own products. That's how you know you're legit right there. He about to get this filthy thing clean and taken care of. Look at that. I'm telling you, it's everywhere. That's everywhere. Everywhere. Look at that scratch, man. That shit pisses me off. That shit pisses me off. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out the way, let my man do what he do. Hit my man up. I'll put his link and everything in the description. He's gonna take care of you. Everybody, we got the finished product here. Look at that. Look at the shine. It's just reflecting all the trees, everything. Look at the tire shine. If you see that truck, you know it's quality. Destination Detail. Instagram Destination Detail, Twitter Destination Detail. That's my man Aubrey right there. I'm telling you, if it's not him, I don't trust nobody else touching my car, man. Clean. You ain't never seen the rims that clean. I ain't never seen it, even when I bought it. It was on the showroom floor. That's next level. These mosquitoes are heavy. I done got bit 3 times already. I'm just coming out here talking to you. I appreciate you, man. Talk to this man right here, Aubrey. Let me see your shirt, man. Destination Detail. I'll put the link in the description, everything. Talk to him. He'll take good care of you. Absolutely. See you in the next one.